Russia has announced plans to increase its military presence in the Northern Military District, a region that borders Finland and Norway. The reinforcement includes the deployment of the two S-35 Koalitsiya-SV mobile field artillery system, a new generation of self-propelled howitzer, SPH, belonging to the Russian army. This strategic step was taken after significant changes occurred in 2021 when Russian President Vladimir Putin reclassified the status of the Russian Northern Fleet to the Northern Military District. This change included the Murmansk region in the district, an area that borders Finland and Norway, wrote Army Recognition December 27. The decision to increase the capabilities of the Northern Military District follows a period of heightened tensions in the region. Following Finland's joining the US-led NATO alliance, Moscow has warned it will increase its military power along its western borders in retaliation. About the two S-35 Koalitsiya-SV is an advanced SPH designed to replace legacy artillery systems such as the two S-19 Msta. This combat vehicle is equipped with a 152mm cannon, which can provide high firepower and precision. The standout features of the two S-35 Koalitsiya-SV are its automatic loading system and the ability to fire a wide range of ammunition types, including standard high-explosive fragmentation rounds and smart rounds capable of changing trajectory mid-flight. This howitzer is capable of firing bullets at high speed, reaching 16 bullets per minute, with the ability to engage targets up to 70 kilometers away using precision-guided munitions.